You guys, check it out, Fix It Pros. We got an LG V521. Want to do a repair here real quick. Kind of want to just show you how to separate this. Kind of opened it up a little bit already, but you just have to you pop all these clips out, okay? Get all these clips out here. Just be a little careful with those. Once you get all those clips out, this comes off, okay? Now, you're gonna see here on we're gonna do the complete LCD repair. So if you see here, there's a connection right at the bottom. That's a new LCD you're gonna buy. Some videos show you get like they take the whole motherboard, everything apart. You don't need to do all that. I'm gonna show you an easy way to fix this. Little tape over here. You want to just this tape was here. Take that off. You're gonna disconnect the connection for the LCD. Okay. Once you start heating up, I like to use 178 degrees. Heat that up real good. I kind of preheated this already just because of the video time. Want to do a quick video. Once you get all that done, you're gonna start. I like using a Sesmo. Start popping that in there. Once you get a little opening, I like using the basic business card. It's a Fix It Pros card. Check it out, Fix It Pros. Give us a shout out. And I like to get in there and start separating that. And you're gonna start seeing that. Start separating the glue. Kind of already preheated this just because of video timing. But once you start opening that up, you're gonna see here how you can just kind of slide the cards through there. Okay. And you're gonna start opening this up, and you're gonna see how that opens very easily. Okay, that opens up, so you don't have to take all the motherboard apart. And then you're gonna see down here there's a connection. This has to be heated up a little bit. Okay, heat that up real good. Heat the bottom. This is gonna disconnect. So that's like, you'll see this right here. This will disconnect here, okay? And then we're gonna just continue to pry the bottom open here. Okay. Easily pull that off. See how that goes? Just like that. Just peel this off. And you're gonna see that metal tab that's on the other one. So this is the old one. I like to try to keep the original adhesives just so that it'll stay. Clean everything. Everything's pretty good. Try to keep the original adhesives. See if you can see that. Sorry about that. They make that a little bigger. Cannot zoom in. Okay. Try to keep those adhesives like you see here. Try to keep the original. But if you can't, don't worry about it. Make sure there's no glass, no big chunks, because that'll... Okay, so now we got that done. I like to test the parts first.